Hey guys, welcome to PDNob. In today's video, we're going to show you how to convert NotebookLM PDFs into editable PowerPoint presentation. NotebookLM is an AI-powered research and note-taking tool developed by Google. It helps you quickly summarize documents and turn them into well-structured outputs in the format you need. It supports a wide range of sources, including documents, online content, and even videos. Let's say you have a long article and you want to turn it into a clean, concise presentation. NotebookLM can save you a huge amount of time. Once you upload your document, NotebookLM generates a clear, structured summary in just a few seconds. It extracts the key points, organizes ideas logically, and helps you understand the content without reading every single page. You can also ask questions based on the document to explore topics in more depth, saving you even more time searching through materials. After you have a clean summary, you can choose the output format you need. Here, we'll select Generate Slide Deck. You can customize the content based on your needs, then click Generate. After a short wait, your file is ready. You can preview the slides and download them. However, there's one limitation. The file can only be downloaded as a PDF. And if you notice any mistakes in the content, this is where a big problem comes up. The file looks like a presentation, but it's actually not editable. You can't directly select or edit the text. This is a current limitation of NotebookLM. So how do we fix this? That's where PDNob comes in. PDNob uses OCR technology to recognize text in PDFs and non-editable presentation files. Simply import the file exported from NotebookLM, enable the OCR feature, and let PDNob analyze the document. It detects text, headings, and layout, and converts everything into a fully editable format. Once the process is complete, you can edit the text directly, adjust slide structure, rewrite sections, or customize the content for different audiences. No retyping. No rebuilding slides from scratch. When you're done, you can save the document as a PowerPoint file. In this workflow, NotebookLM handles the thinking and summarizing, while PDNob handles the editing. Together, they turn a long article into an AI-generated summary, and then into a presentation you can actually use. If your goal is to convert documents into editable PowerPoint files as efficiently as possible, this combination makes the entire process smooth and seamless. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.